Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I will be doing a theme and coloring tutorial for the Savage coloring. And the theme isn't really necessarily a theme, it's more of like a font tutorial, or like, you know what I mean? It's not really like a theme because most fan pages aren't using complicated themes anymore. They're using like either the KG Happy font or the Hug Me Tight font. So it's not really a theme. So, but yeah, I'll be doing the coloring tutorial, and this is for Android. People with iOS can obviously do this because I have an iOS and I did this, but this is Android friendly. So, basically it's going to look like this. This is going to be like the end result for the coloring. So yeah, let's get started with the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is we are going to go on to B612. So, go into B612 and you're going to import your video. So here's my video, and you're going to go on to AR, and you're going to click on the section where it says hot, and it should be the third filter, which is this blue hair, and just scroll it till it's like 100 and save this to your camera roll. This just adds the blue hair because we don't use like color filters to make the coloring blue. We just use this blue hair filter. And if it's not there, there are a bunch of other filters on B612 that can also give you the blue hair with like different types of sparkles, but it's all kind of the same. So yeah. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go on to Precool. So I'll put the setting up on the side for Precool. After you're done, it should look something like this, and then we're going to go on to 24 FPS. So you're going to go into 24 FPS, and we are going to use the Savage, we're going to use the Savage QR code for the filter. If I can, okay. It's going to end up looking like this, and then you're just going to save the video. And the quality of the video always ends up looking blurry and like pixelated. So I go onto CapCut, and CapCut, fixes all my problems because CapCut is just that amazing. And we just add the sharpen to 100 and put the resolution all the way up. And then you can go ahead and save your video. And now after we're done this, we're going to move on to the font part of this video. So for that, what we're going to do is we're going to go on to Font, import your new video or your coloring, and then you can write whatever you want to write. So I'm just going to ask about people's day, I guess. And the font we're going to use is Hug Me Tight because, as I said, that's like the most popular font for fan pages these days. And then you can just put it in the middle, and you're going to put a stroke of 25 black. And for the blur, you can do 55 for alpha, the blur 50, and oh, it was on 55, never mind. So 55 for alpha and 50 for the blur, and then just center it. And then you can go ahead and write your username or your watermark or whatever you call it. And the font for this is called Kind Heart. And you go into Style, Blend, and Overlay to give it that, like, what effect would this be called? I don't know. Like that. I just call it the glowing see-through text effect. There's probably a better name for it. So, yeah. But yeah, that is kind of it for the coloring and the theme for like, not the theme. I keep on calling it a theme. It's not even a theme. But you can obviously come up with your own like actual theme because this theme isn't really that good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because a lot of people were asking for a Android friendly coloring, But yeah, I'll see you guys like next time. Bye. My phone's about to die. Oh, okay, well anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.